In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Streamlabs best camera settings. If you want your webcam to look as clear and smooth as possible in Streamlabs, this is a quick setting adjustment that can make a big difference. The goal here is to make sure your camera is using the highest quality options it supports, rather than relying on default settings that may not give you the best image. To get started, open Streamlabs and locate your webcam source in the Sources panel. Once you find it, right-click on your webcam source. This opens the menu where you can manage settings for that specific camera. If you have multiple sources, just make sure you're selecting the actual webcam source and not something else like an image or display capture. From that menu, click Properties. This is where Streamlabs lets you control the camera's main video options. Inside the Properties window, you'll usually see settings related to resolution, frame rate, and device configuration. These settings can vary a little depending on the webcam model you're using, but the general process is the same. Next, select the best resolution available to you. In most cases, a higher resolution will give you a sharper and more detailed picture. For example, if your camera supports 1080p, that will generally look better than 720p. Keep in mind, though, that higher resolution can also use more system resources, so the best option is usually the highest one your setup can handle comfortably while streaming. After that, choose the best FPS, or frames per second, that is available. A higher FPS can make your camera look smoother, especially if you move around a lot on screen. Common options are 30 FPS and 60 FPS. If your webcam and computer support 60 FPS reliably, that can give you a more fluid look. If not, 30 FPS is still a very solid and standard choice for most streamers. Once you've selected the best resolution and the best FPS available, click Close to save and exit the Properties window. At this point, your camera should be set up to use the strongest quality options available inside Streamlabs. As a final tip, after applying these settings, take a quick look at your preview to make sure everything appears clear and smooth. If the image looks good and your system is running well, then you're all set. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.